Are you struggling to calculate sales commissions using your Stripe data? Then this video is for you. You can automate everything in Sales Cookie, an AI-powered commission automation platform, and it even has a native sync with Stripe. So let's jump in. Start your free trial at salescookie.com, no credit card needed. Next, go to Account, My Workspaces, and create a new workspace for your company. Next, go to Settings, Connections, search for Stripe, and authorize read-only access to your data. Next, let's pull in your Stripe data. We can sync customers, charges, invoices, refunds, and more. I'm going to sync charges since my commissions are based on that. I'm pulling data from the start of 2026, and I want Sales Cookie to fetch new and updated records every hour. During our first sync, Sales Cookie will walk us through some simple mapping steps to make sure we can correctly credit the right reps, teams, and territories. If your Stripe data doesn't indicate which rep to credit, no worries. We can walk you through some options. For example, you could add a sales rep custom property on Stripe invoices or add a sales rep metadata field on Stripe charges. You can also map reps to customers via named account list or use dynamic crediting rules. For example, Washington State Sales Credit John. So once your mapping is set, Sales Cookie saves your preferences and updates your data every hour, no manual work required. Within minutes, you can see your Stripe data using the field names you already know. And in the next video, I'll show you how to automate commission calculations using your synced Stripe data. Ready to take the next step? Book a one-on-one demo from our website or start your free trial today. No credit card required. Thanks and see you next time.